Hi guys, join me while I make cottage pie. So firstly start browning off your mince in a pan. Once that's done, get 300 ml of cold water, add your cottage pie mix to it, then a tablespoon of tomato puree, and then mix all that together. Once your mince is cooked, add your vegetables that you like, so add peas, carrots, garlic, and then add your cottage pie mix to it. Then once that's done, get your mash ready, and then season that how you like it. So I've got salt, pepper and butter because it makes it nice and creamy. Once you've done that, start pouring your mince into your serving dishes. Then add your mashed potato on top and then just spread it out evenly. I hope you like it.